Are you looking for a soundbar that combines compact bookshelf speaker design with room-filling, high-fidelity audio? Meet the Denon Home 550, a sleek, Bluetooth-capable powerhouse that promises to transform your listening experience. But does it really deliver the premium sound Denon is famous for, or is it all just hype? In this review, we put the Denon Home Soundbar 550 through its paces to see if it earns the title of the best Bluetooth bookshelf speaker alternative in 2024. Denon Home 550 Product Overview. The Denon Home 550 is a compact soundbar designed and engineered by Denon, brand renowned for over 100 years of audio excellence. Released in 2021, this model targets music lovers, movie enthusiasts, smart home users who want high-end sound in a small footprint. While marketed primarily as a soundbar, its size and functionality make it a real contender for those eyeing Bluetooth bookshelf speakers. Supporting Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and HEOS Multi-Room audio, the Home 550 blends powerful performance with modern connectivity. It's a smart solution for apartments, bedrooms, or any space where full-size speakers aren't practical. Denon Home 550 Performance. We tested the Denon Home 550 in various scenarios, streaming, Spotify over Bluetooth, watching Netflix in Dolby Atmos, and even pairing it with other HEOS devices for multi-room playback. The result? Surprisingly big sound from a small package. Dialogue clarity is excellent thanks to Denon's tuning, and it easily fills a medium-sized room without distortion. When we pushed it with action movies, explosions and low-end effects had more punch than we expected. Though bass enthusiasts may feel it needs the optional subwoofer for truly deep lows, music playback via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi was smooth, with detailed mids and crisp highs, though soundstage width is naturally limited compared to larger bookshelf setups. The Home 550 impressed in stress tests with clean, undistorted audio, even at max volume. There were no significant Bluetooth dropouts during extended streaming sessions, and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant worked without hiccups. Features and tech. What makes the Denon Home 550 stand out is its smart combination of features packed into a compact unit. Dolby Atmos and DTS X support. Enjoy immersive cinematic sound without needing multiple speakers. Great for small living rooms or bedrooms where a full surround system isn't feasible. Bluetooth plus HEOS Multi-Room. Not just for TV audio, this bar works as a Bluetooth bookshelf speaker alternative, pairing easily with phones, tablets, and other HEOS-enabled devices for whole home audio. Built-in voice control. With Alexa and Google Assistant integration, you can control music, volume, and smart devices, hands-free, no extra hardware needed. Compared to typical Bluetooth bookshelf speakers, the 550 offers superior smart integration and cinematic audio tech in one sleek package. Design and build. The Denon Home 550 features a minimalist, modern design wrapped in a premium acoustic fabric with subtle metal accents, measuring just under 26 inches wide. It blends easily into bookshelves or entertainment centers without dominating your space. The build feels sturdy, and the touch controls on the top panel are responsive and backlit for visibility in the dark. Its compact footprint and understated styling make it a perfect fit for modern. And wall mount hardware is included if you want an even cleaner setup. Pros: impressive clarity and balance for its compact size. Dolby Atmos and DTS X support for immersive sound, Bluetooth and HEOS multi-room flexibility. Cons: bass can feel a bit thin without a subwoofer. Limited soundstage width compared to larger bookshelf speakers. Sound quality. The Denon Home 550 delivers detailed, dynamic sound that's well above what you'd expect from a soundbar of this size. Vocals are clean and forward, making dialogue and movies crystal clear. The highs are crisp without being harsh, and the mids are warm and natural. While the bass is adequate for most genres, EDM and action-heavy content reveal its limitations, unless paired with a subwoofer. Compared to traditional Bluetooth bookshelf speakers, the 550 excels at movie sound thanks to Atmos and DTS X processing, while still providing satisfying music playback. Final verdict. So, is the Denon Home 555 the best Bluetooth bookshelf speaker alternative for 2024? If you're after compact size, smart features, and cinematic sound, it's hard to beat. This soundbar fills a unique niche, delivering the versatility of Bluetooth bookshelf speakers with the added bonus of Atmos surround sound and voice assistant integration. It's perfect for apartment dwellers, bedroom setups, or anyone looking to minimize clutter without sacrificing audio quality. While bass lovers might want to add a sub, the 550 offers tremendous value and flexibility. In short, if you want a compact sound solution with big features, the Denon Home 550 is a winner.